the production of Porsche 911 and 718 in Stuttgart. In the heart of Stuttgart, Germany, lies a legendary automotive production facility where precision meets passion, and innovation intertwines with tradition. Here, at Porsche Stuttgart, the iconic Porsche 911 and 718 models come to life, embodying the essence of performance, craftsmanship, and driving exhilaration. Founded by Ferdinand Porsche in 1931, Stuttgart has been synonymous with Porsche's rich automotive heritage for nearly a century. Steeped in tradition and innovation, this historic location has served as the birthplace of some of the world's most iconic sports cars, including the legendary Porsche 911 and the dynamic Porsche 718 series. At Porsche Stuttgart, excellence is not just a standard, it's a way of life. Skilled artisans and technicians meticulously handcraft each Porsche 911 and 718 model, ensuring that every detail meets the brand's exacting standards of quality and precision. From the sleek lines of the bodywork to the powerful roar of the engine, every aspect of the production process reflects Porsche's unwavering commitment to perfection. While tradition may be the cornerstone of Porsche's legacy, innovation drives the production process forward at Stuttgart. The facility is equipped with state-of-the-art manufacturing technologies and advanced robotics, allowing for greater efficiency, precision, and flexibility in the production of Porsche's iconic sports cars. From cutting-edge assembly lines to digital quality control systems, every aspect of the production process is optimized to deliver unparalleled performance and reliability. Nestled within the heart of Porsche's manufacturing facilities lies a realm where precision engineering and automotive excellence converge, the Porsche 911 engine assembly line. Here, skilled artisans and cutting-edge technology come together to breathe life into the legendary power plant that drives one of the most iconic sports cars in automotive history. At the core of every Porsche lies its engine, a masterpiece of engineering and performance. In Stuttgart, Porsche's high-tech engine manufacturing facility ensures that each Porsche 911 and 718 model is powered by a precision-crafted engine that delivers unrivaled power, responsiveness, and exhilaration on the road. From the iconic flat-six engine of the 911 to the turbocharged power plants of the 718 series, every engine is meticulously assembled and tested to ensure peak performance and reliability. Step into this meticulously organized workspace. They are immediately enveloped by an atmosphere of focused determination and meticulous attention to detail. The air hums with the soft whir of machinery, punctuated by the occasional metallic clang as components are expertly maneuvered into place. Rows of gleaming engine blocks stretch out before them, each one a testament to Porsche's unwavering commitment to craftsmanship and quality. At the heart of the assembly line, skilled technicians meticulously piece together the intricate components that will form the beating heart of the Porsche 911. From the precision machining of the engine block to the delicate installation of the camshafts and pistons, every step of the process is executed with unparalleled care and precision. As each component is meticulously assembled, it undergoes a series of rigorous quality control checks to ensure that it meets Porsche's exacting standards of excellence. From precise torque measurements to meticulous visual inspections, no detail is overlooked in the pursuit of perfection. The journey begins with the engine block, the foundation upon which the entire assembly rests. With precision machinery humming in the background, technicians meticulously machine and refine the engine block to exacting specifications. Every surface is honed to perfection, ensuring optimal performance and durability. Next comes the delicate installation of the camshafts, the intricate mechanisms responsible for controlling the opening and closing of the engine's valves. With the utmost care, technicians place each camshaft into position, ensuring perfect alignment and synchronization with the engine's timing system. It's a task that requires not only technical expertise but also a keen eye for detail. As the assembly progresses, pistons are delicately lowered into the cylinders, each one precision matched to its corresponding bore. With meticulous attention to detail, technicians ensure that each piston is seated correctly, with the perfect amount of clearance to prevent any unwanted friction or interference. But perhaps the most critical step in the assembly process is the installation of the crankshaft, the very heart of the engine. With painstaking precision, technicians carefully lower the crankshaft into place, ensuring that each journal aligns perfectly with its corresponding bearing. It's a task that requires not only skill but also a deep understanding of the engine's inner workings. As the final components are installed and the engine takes shape, it's a moment of triumph for everyone involved. Each technician knows that they've played a vital role in creating something truly special, a masterpiece of engineering that will power the legendary Porsche 911. And as the completed engine is lifted from the assembly line, ready to be installed into the waiting chassis of a Porsche 911, there's a sense of pride and satisfaction that permeates the air. For these skilled technicians, it's not just a job, it's a passion. And it's that passion that drives them to achieve unparalleled levels of care and precision with every engine they assemble. The cutting-edge workshop area, completed to coincide with the production launch of the new Porsche 911, represents a pinnacle of technological advancement. Within its confines, the body shells of Porsche 911 and Boxster, Cayman models undergo a meticulous painting process, both inside and out, in an environment devoid of dust. This achievement is made possible by the plant's complete enclosure, coupled with advanced electrostatic paint droplet removal and wet chemical exhaust air purification systems. As a result, solvent and particulate emissions are drastically minimized, eliminating the need for the towering paint exhaust air collecting stack typical of conventional facilities. Spanning 192 meters in length and 52 meters in width, the paint shop building hosts a meticulously choreographed process that ensures Porsche's legendary quality standards are met with precision. The facility's integration into the broader sports car production process enhances efficiency and flexibility while reinforcing the brand's commitment to excellence. Porsche's investment of approximately €200 million in the plant underscores its dedication to collaboration with internationally renowned specialists. Partners such as Der AG and Eisenmann, both based in Baden-Württemberg, played pivotal roles in equipping the paint lines with state-of-the-art application technology and conveyor systems. Minister-President Winfried Kretschmann hailed Porsche's commitment to sustainability, affirming the company's alignment with stringent ecological standards. Stuttgart's Lord Mayor Drive, Wolfgang Schuster lauded Porsche's investment as a testament to the city's economic vitality and the company's deep-rooted connection to its headquarters. Uwe Huck, chairman of the Group Works Council, celebrated the new paint shop as a testament to the effectiveness of co-determination in Germany. He emphasized its role in securing and creating jobs, affirming the importance of providing employees with the best tools and resources for success. Porsche's new paint shop in Zuffenhausen symbolizes not only technological innovation but also a steadfast commitment to environmental responsibility and community prosperity. It stands as a beacon of excellence, embodying Porsche's enduring legacy of quality, craftsmanship, and sustainability. As the paint is applied, technicians work with precision and care, ensuring that each coat is even and uniform. Multiple layers of paint are applied, allowing the color to deepen and intensify with each coat. It's a process that requires not only technical expertise but also a keen eye for detail, as any imperfections or inconsistencies must be corrected before the next coat is applied. Once the final coat of paint has been applied, the body of the Porsche 911 is carefully inspected for any flaws or irregularities. Any imperfections are meticulously corrected, ensuring that the finish is flawless from every angle. But the journey doesn't end there. After the paint has been applied, the body of the Porsche 911 undergoes a meticulous polishing process, where skilled technicians buff and polish the surface to a mirror-like shine. It's a labor-intensive process, but one that is essential for achieving the signature luster and brilliance that Porsche is renowned for. Finally, as the freshly painted body of the Porsche 911 emerges from the paint shop, it's a sight to behold, a masterpiece of automotive design, gleaming in the light. With its flawless finish and impeccable attention to detail, it's a testament to the skill and craftsmanship that goes into every Porsche 911, ensuring that each one is a true work of art on wheels. As the freshly painted body shell glides down the assembly line, it reaches the station where the heart of the Porsche 911 comes to life. Here, skilled technicians meticulously orchestrate the installation of the powertrain and suspension components with surgical precision. First, the engine, the beating heart of the 911, is carefully lowered into place. With a reverence reserved for a masterpiece, technicians ensure that every bolt aligns perfectly, guaranteeing optimal performance and reliability. Next, the transmission is expertly fitted, seamlessly integrating with the engine to deliver the smooth, lightning-fast shifts that define the Porsche driving experience. But the meticulous attention to detail doesn't stop there. Suspension components, including the precision-engineered control arms and dampers, are painstakingly installed to ensure that the 911 delivers unparalleled handling and agility on the road. Each component is meticulously aligned and torqued to specification, ensuring that every corner is conquered with confidence and precision. Inside the cabin, another team of artisans works diligently to transform the 911's cockpit into a sanctuary of luxury and comfort. With the precision of a master craftsman, technicians meticulously install each interior component, from the plush leather seats to the elegant dashboard trim. Every detail is scrutinized to ensure a perfect fit and finish, with no detail overlooked. The leather upholstery is carefully stretched and secured, while the dashboard trim panels are aligned with precision to create a seamless, cohesive interior aesthetic. But it's not just about aesthetics. It's about creating an environment that enhances the driving experience. Every control and switch is meticulously positioned for intuitive access, while the ergonomically designed seats provide support and comfort during spirited driving. Meanwhile, a team of electrical engineers works tirelessly to bring the 911's advanced technology to life. With the precision of a surgeon, they install the intricate electrical and electronic systems that power the 911's cutting-edge features. From the state-of-the-art infotainment system to the advanced lighting controls, every wire and connector is meticulously routed and connected to ensure seamless operation. Complex wiring harnesses are carefully routed through the vehicle's chassis, while sophisticated electronic modules are installed with precision and care. Quality control. As the fully assembled 911 nears completion, it undergoes a series of rigorous quality control checks. Highly trained inspectors meticulously inspect every inch of the vehicle, ensuring that it meets Porsche's exacting standards of quality and craftsmanship. Final inspection and testing. Before the 911 leaves the factory floor, it undergoes a final inspection and testing process. Highly skilled technicians put each vehicle through its paces, testing its performance, handling, and safety features to ensure that it meets Porsche's legendary standards of excellence. Ready for the road. Finally, after passing through the gauntlet of quality control checks and testing procedures, the finished Porsche 911 is ready to hit the road. With its iconic design, exhilarating performance, and uncompromising quality, it's no wonder the 911 has earned its place as one of the most coveted sports cars in the world.